So in the last video, we just learned what is this name and set name by using this use state. We are going to send some HTTP request. So without delay, let me just stop this particular server by pressing Ctrl C, and I'll just install one package called Axios. So in order to install one package, you can type npm I Axios, and it's going to install that particular package, and it will update packet.json for us here. You can see Axios being installed in the dependencies. So once that is done, I'll just rerun the server by using npm run dev command, and once that is running, I can go here and I can just import Axios from Axios. So Axios has been imported. Once that is done, I'll just go here and let me clear out this entire thing so that we can make some space. Yeah. So first of all, I just want to type one string here and let username is equal to Shenoy. This is my GitHub username actually. We'll be using GitHub's API to fetch some user profile information into our project. So we can write one simple function which is going to help us to call the API of GitHub, and we'll be able to get the result. So in order to do that, I'll just type const fetch GitHub user is equal to one arrow function, and here we can directly get data from the GitHub API. I'll just do it, then I'll be able to explain it properly. Const data is equal to axios dot get, and here we can type the URL which we want to go and fetch it. That is https // api.github.com/, and we can directly append username which is actually coming from this particular variable. Once that is done, in order to use Axios, we need to type await keyword, and now it is going to give error saying it is allowed inside async function. So I'll just type async here and I'll save it, and before saving it, we'll just console.log data, and once I save it, now I'll be able to call this particular function. For testing purpose, I'll just call it here itself at the moment. Later we'll do something else. Now that is done, I'll just click on inspect and click on console here, and it's going to give us some error. This error is coming because we have done one mistake here. If you just go here and type users / and save it, now it's going to fetch some stuffs for us from GitHub, something like avatar, bio, blog, company, and all the other details which is publicly available in the GitHub itself of mine. If you change this particular username to your name, that is your GitHub username, then you will be able to fetch your information. Now, once that particular thing is fetched, in order to use it in our component and display the user data, we need to do some things that we'll do it in next video. So don't forget to hit that like button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.